Hi, gang, gang. I don't know. I'm trying to think of an intro that nobody else does. So right now y'all gonna be gang, gang today. So I'm not trying to edit this video. So I'm trying to like basically record this error free. Of course, to err is human. So there might be some points in the video where I pause or I gotta correct myself. But I do want to record this video for you guys because I haven't recorded at all last week. August was a really hard month for me, which is like extra hard because that's my birth month and I really couldn't celebrate it the way that I wanted to celebrate it. So last week I really had to just focus on life things and I had to put the channel on the back burner, but I'm back and I'm going to be bringing you a human hair unit this time. Y'all know I love my synthetics. I still do. However, human hair is great for when you need to wear it extended without any like problems like tangling, matting, shedding, etc. So like vacation. So always good to find those good human hair wigs that you could wear. Before I get into the video, don't forget to like this video if you are interested, or if you love this wig, like it. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to comment. And you liking and commenting the video helps boost the algorithm for me, and more views equal more videos I can put out for you guys. Also follow me on my social media, Instagram, and I have a Facebook page and TikTok. That way, you know, you can stay up to date on, I do updates on my wigs on my Instagram. I do installs on TikTok. So if you're interested in seeing those things, you can follow me on social media. The links will be in the description box. Last, before we get into the wig, I recently started my own beauty brand and it's called 1111 Beauty. Right now we're featuring 100% real mink lashes. I also sell press-on nails. I will be selling wigs in the future. Eyelash accessories. Right now I'm wearing a pair called Tanja. So if you're into like the big bold lashes, definitely check out my my website, and the link will be in the description box. So today is a human hair wig, and it was given to me by a brand called Myshinywigs. I never heard of them before. However, they are actually a popular company on Instagram, and they're very affordable. This is a T-parts bob wig, glueless wig. It is definitely glueless. It came with the construction. It comes with 4 combs, the normal adjustable straps that you see in the wigs, but it also came with an extra band, the adjustable band that you could wear inside and remove. It's really good because you can remove it, and if you don't want to use it, and you can leave it in if you do, if you want to wear your wig glueless. I didn't use any glue to lay this down. I did use my wig dealer lace melting spray to hold it down for the video, and I swooped my baby hairs with some Got2b glue gel. It does come pre-plucked. It is a natural density. It's a 180 density wig. You can get it different cap sizes. So you can do medium, large, or small. I got a medium size. They sent me a medium size. However, I always use small if I would have chose it myself. I got the 12-inch, but it does range from 10 to 14 inches. And what else could I say about this? So the price is $150. However, you can get 25% off using the code DIA25. It will be in the description box. Good chunk. 25% is a good discount, guys. That usually wig companies be doing like 10, 5, 15%. 25% is good. Like when I know when a good sale is coming up, when they say 25 or more, that's a good deal. It is highlighted, get the chunky blonde highlights in it, so it does come pre-colored. And guys, that's a good deal for human hair. You pre-colored, pre-plucked. This is an easy wig. It's T-part, so if you're a beginner with the wigs, I prefer the synthetic because they're more durable. But when a human hair wig is made easy for you, definitely grab that up. This is a C-part wig, however, that does give you room to do extra plucking if you want to customize it a little bit more. I did do a little bit, not a lot. And I did pluck some hair out the middle. So I like my parts a little wider, but you didn't need to. I didn't even have to do the ball cap method with this wig. You can't tell, but I really did not do a ball cap method at all. I just put her on, sprayed her down with the regular spray, let that melt. Then I did my baby hairs, and voila. I ran my flat iron through just to bump it because it wasn't bumped when I received it, which happens and curls do drop. But yeah, I really love how natural it looks, and the fact that it's not a 13 by 6. It's something that I could throw on and go, especially like if you're on vacation and you don't have time to be messing with no 13 by whatever wig party space. You can throw this on and go to your dinner real fast with your girls, your boo, whoever you went with. Yeah. So let me do a 360. So this is the length. I'm 5'2", by the way. So this is what the 12-inch looks like. Of course, the link to the wig, the direct link will be in the description box, along with the link to the website. I'm very impressed with this company. They did send the wig with a lot of goodies. So you get a hanger, like a hanging bag. So if you want to like put her back up without getting her damaged, it does come with a storage bag. It came with wig caps, edge gel or edge brush. Yeah. Oh, and a free headband. So really cute headbands too, like those big chunky ones. So yeah, I was really impressed with how they packaged and shipped the package. Very good business oriented company. They're really professional, and I really respect that. A lot of these wig companies, they don't have any type of couth. They don't have any type of business with ethics. So I do appreciate their business, and I do get some commission off when y'all click on that code. So, go ahead and help a girl out, make your purchase. 150 is not bad at all, especially for a 12-inch highlighted bob. And the hair is so soft. It's so soft. It doesn't tangle at all. It's a good density. Like 180% is a really good natural density. What else can I say about this? I'm really impressed. When a company impresses me, I'm more so like jumping on it. The hair can be good, the wig can be good quality, but when the company sucks, when they're unprofessional, it's a turn off. And that company really, Myshinywigs really impressed me, and the hair quality is great. Definitely has a lot of swing and bounce to it, and it's like I said, it's very much easy to do. A lot of the other hair on the website is very affordable also, and you can use my code. Yeah. Again, if you like this wig, just don't forget to like this video. Stay tuned. I will be doing another wig install very soon, probably tomorrow. A synthetic wig install. Get back to my synthetic units. And yeah, I don't know if y'all wanted me to do like a life vlog. Let me know about that. I was thinking about doing that. I want to be more transparent with you guys, especially when I disappear. Y'all know what's going on with me. But you can also just check me out on my Facebook and my Instagram. I'm very much vocal on there. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Deuces.